Hello, my name is Isabel Wheeler. It is November 1st of 2019. This is Anatomy 2 Week 1 video exercise. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to digitally label your images in Google Drive. I'm going to be digitally labeling the acidophil cell, the basophil cell, and the pituicyte nucleus. I'm going to go to my week 1 lab exercise. I'm going to be labeling the pituitary gland. So what I would do is click on this picture of the pituitary gland, and I would copy that. Then I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to select a new, go to More, and then Google Drawings. Once I go to my Google Drawing, I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to do Control V, and then I will center that and make that big enough to see. Once I've enlarged my photo, I will be drawing a line to each of the cell and nucleus to label those. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on line on the top left, and it's going to give me a plus instead of a pointer, and from there I'm going to draw a line to first it's going to be the acidophil cell. So the acidophil cell is going to be, I'm not sure if you can see right there, or maybe this one would be better. So right here, I'm going to draw a line all the way up, and you can go back to select, and you see that line right there to the acidophil cell. What you're going to do is now label that with a text box. So you're going to click on the text box option right there, and that's going to give you another plus instead of a pointer, so you know you're doing it right. And then you're going to create a text box. And once you create the text box, you're gonna write in your label. So there we have the acidophil cell right there. Now we are going to go and do the basophil cell. For the basophil cell, it's going to be the same thing as the acidophil cell. So I'm going to create a line, and I'm going to find the basophil, and here is it right here. So I'm going to draw a line outwards. You can do a line upwards, you can do one downwards, you can go either side, but this is the closest side right here, and I'm going to draw a line out and then go back to select, and we see that line is put in the right place. Then we are going to create another text box above the top left, and we're going to create one right here, and we're going to label it basophil cell. And there we have the acidophil cell and the basophil cell, and now lastly we just need the nucleus of the pituicyte. The pituicyte nuclei is on the posterior of the pituitary gland, so it's going to be on the lighter stained side, so it's going to be on this left side of the pituitary gland. Let's see, so we'll find one of the pituicyte nuclei. You could do any of them, so we'll choose this one right here, and we'll draw a line to the side of that. We're going to select a text box, and then we're going to write that in right here. Okay, you can extend it either so that goes off the page, so we're just going to keep it like so, and I'm going to center that over here. Okay, so that looks good. So we have the acidophil cell, we have the basophil cell, and we have the pituicyte nuclei, all labeled. And we are going to label that the pituitary gland. And we're going to click File, Download. And we're going to download that as a JPEG image. Once that has downloaded, we're going to X out of that. Go back to your week 1 lab exercise. We're going to delete the first picture, and we are going to insert a new image, upload it from my computer because I just saved it. So the recents is right here, and that's the pituitary gland. We're going to choose that, and there we have the labeled image. And what I do is I crop it to enlarge it. So if you have extra white on the sides. That is how to digitally label an image on your Google Drive. I hope you did learn a lot from this.